everyone, XP Films here, featuring I Got Money XD, and here is part 2 on how to make or change your start button and taskbar color. Let's begin. Oops. Oh well. Now, open up your trusty resource hacker. Now for, like you did with the task or start button, you replace all the stuff in the taskbar. Now you'll find scroll down, find taskbar tray underscore BMP, open that up, and you'll find it'll be if it's silver, it'll be that silver one with a red line by it. Now save it, edit it, do whatever with it, but I've done that already, so but when you there, glitch in the program. But you go to this program is really starting to glitch up. Sorry. You go to File, Save, and if you go in and don't try and put the new theme on, it won't work right away. You have to go to jpfilms.site88.net/freefiles.html, and there's a resource hacker download. Download Replacer. Extract it from the zip. Extract it from the zip and put it wherever you want. Make sure to extract everything because it needs that data, and put it in the same folder. See, I have Replacer right here. Now, before we do that, open your System32, which is in the Windows folder, which is in the local C disk, which is in my computer. Open System32, which I already have. Find a file UX theme, like this one right here, and right click, copy, paste it wherever my documents preferred. Now here's the thing, in here, where is UX theme, drag that in here, click enter, go into my documents. You'll find your other UX theme file. Put that, enter. Oops. Make sure that's open. Enter. Click Y. Enter. Complete reboot to see changes. Press any key to quit. Oh, and that pops up. Click cancel. Now, because you want to say before you do that, now you have to reboot. So I'm going to reboot, and I'll see you then. So see you when I reboot. Hey everyone, I'm back. As you can see, everything worked, and I have 500,000 applications open, but we're coming in to hack this little icon, which I haven't changed. So open up the Explorer, not Windows Explorer, Explorer with the little My Computer icon. Go into Bytemap 143, the very first one. That one, save it, edit, do what you want with it, replace resource. Now, you can't really create your own because it's pain to make. You'll find that. Open and replace. You go file save. It can't save it. That's why you come in here and the Explorer process, then applications. Oh, now you file save it, because now it'll work. Explorer.exe, open, and it kind of glitched up a bit on me. But, so, I'm not exactly sure why it kind of glitched up. Maybe the hue got wrong or something. I'm going to replace it again. Oh, Explorer.exe is hard to find, but you know what? I don't care. And you don't have to hack that icon, it just is better. But now I have an entirely cool little icon there. I'm going to edit that again and rehack it, but delete that little part of that and you won't have that little line there, and then you'll be perfect. But XP Films here, featuring I Got Money XD, showing you how to change the color of your taskbar, your start button, the little tray over here, and this icon. Thank you for watching.